Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cool and fantastic, it is fantastic, this wireless speaker, Bluetooth speaker that this brand sent to me for this video. But also, I'm going to show you why this one, it could be really cool for golfers. I play golf, and this one kind of like blew me away by one really good feature, which also, by the way, when you're turning it on and connecting it to the Bluetooth, it's gonna make golf sounds, you know. It's gonna make kind of like the swing sound, the ball going in the water or the bunker. It's gonna tell you good swing, good pair, or good ace, or something like that when you're pairing with Bluetooth. So I think that's actually pretty cool. That also comes with, take a look at this one. It comes with a clip, so you can clip it to your golf bag. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging purposes, and also with a 3.5 jack audio for connected into like another device. So I'm gonna put this one right here. But let me show you the feature that it blew me away for being a golfer. Check this out. If you have a golf cart, it won't move. This thing, check this out. I'm actually moving the entire gazebo. This is crazy. It is super strong. I'm telling you that this thing, I'm actually doing, you can see that I'm leaning back, you know, so this is really strong. But the sound quality, it is superb. I have to say that it's really heavy. It also comes with a holder right here, so you can put it on like a tripod. You can put it also on a spin and kind of like make this one to be really secure and good. This is gonna be the magnet. This is gonna be the super strong magnet, as you can, oh my God. Like this one, super strong magnet, and also it's gonna be right here waterproof, so you can see that this one, it comes with the SD reader, the 3.5 jack, and the USB-C port, the 3.5 jack, and the micro SD reader to put some MP3s or things like that. All the controls are gonna be here, as well as the battery display, and this is gonna be the subwoofer, which it is insanely powerful. Let me show you. Okay, right here is my microphone. I'm gonna put it close to my microphone, not super close because it is actually really powerful. I'm gonna put it right there, and you're gonna hear this sound effect that I'm gonna put on my phone. It's paired on my phone already. I can't put any music because of, you know, it can be rejected or things like that, but check this out.
You won't just hear glass break. You'll hear a slightly battered and bruised baseball fly past your right ear as a cloud of debris blooms and shards of glass trail overhead. Just before gravity takes hold, scattering chaos to the four corners of the room.
I don't know how they put so much power in such a tiny thing. It is really heavy, like really heavy. I have to say that it's really heavy, so I think that actually translates into good quality. But it has a fantastic runtime. It has this powerful magnet. It has all the controls right here if you want. It has the subwoofer, the water thing. Also, you have the reader for the SD card, the 3.5 jack audio, USB-C to USB-C. But again, the most important thing I think is this right here, which is insane. Take a look at this, how powerful it is. This thing, it is tiny but mighty.